Hello everyone, I just purchased the Budan Espresso Machine with the milk pitcher, the Budan Espresso Grinder that also does manual brews, the Budan Knock Box, the leveler, the tamper, the Budan mat. I just enjoy taking these covers off, taking this off from the distributor. It's beautifully edged Budan, a nice tamper, and of course the Budan Espresso Grinder. Add some water and just close the lid. You can just slide the water tank here. You can just remove this lip and remove the drip tray, and you can then press this button. So it's ready to brew now. Yay! Turn on and you press. I think this is the time when the water is getting heated, so this kind of says that it's not ready to use yet. Voila! 45 seconds and it's ready to brew. First thing is check if the brewing is working. Since it's not hot enough yet, when I press the steam button, it's saying it's going to heat up. I'll stop that. Well, since I was shooting this on my own, I couldn't do the distribution and the tamping, but this is how the final puck looks like. The espresso was so delightful and I am so happy with my purchase of the Budan Espresso Machine.